Want to learn the easiest faceless niches for your YouTube channel that you can actually get millions of views off? Then keep watching till the end to find out. In this video I am going to show you the 3 easiest faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can start right away. Faceless YouTube channels are usually called Cashcow channels. Before we get into the video, let's first define what a Cashcow channel really is. The main reason people like to start Cashcow channels is because they don't want to be on camera. Cashcow channels are usually faceless, and you don't even have to do the voiceover yourself. Most of the time people will outsource the whole video creation process. And this is script writing, voiceover, video editing and thumbnails. You can hire people to do this from websites like Fiverr. What ends up happening by doing this is you actually create a level of passive income, where you need to work for just a couple of hours a week and you get income. Now you are probably thinking that you can't do this process since you don't have any money yet to hire people. Well, if you have a decent computer and a microphone, you can start creating Cashcow channels yourself. And after you start making money, you can hire people to do that process for you. I did a video on the best ways to make money on YouTube and I'll put a link to it in the description below. Now that we know what faceless channels are, aka Cashcow channels, let's talk about the easiest faceless niches for your YouTube channel. The first channel idea we have is gaming. Now this is a very popular niche when it comes to Cashcow channels. Making videos in this niche is very easy. All you have to do is pick a game. Let's take Fortnite as an example. You can make tips and tricks videos. Or you can make weekly updates where you tell your viewers what's new in the game. You can also talk about the new updates in the game. An example of a channel doing this is Top 5 Gaming. This channel gets lots of views and all they are doing is a voiceover and some Fortnite clips. You can record a voiceover using your own mic, or you can hire someone on Fiverr. You can record your own Fortnite clips on PC or on your PlayStation. Or you can get these clips from other YouTubers, but don't forget to credit them in the description of your video. You can add the link to their video in the description so that you don't get any copyright issues. Next up is a motivational channel. These kinds of channels get millions of views and making motivational videos is actually quite easy. All you have to do is get some inspirational music and get some free stock footage to add in your video. You can find that on websites like Pixabay and Pexels. You can get motivational music from the YouTube audio library, or you can use a website called Morning Light Music. Morning Light Music is not free, but if you use this code, then you will get 10% off the lifetime membership. I will put a link to their website in the description below. To make your videos more professional, you can write up a motivational script and record that or make someone record it for you. Combine all of that in a video editor and there you go. You have a motivational video ready to be uploaded. The last channel idea we have in today's video is a top 10 channel. These kinds of channels gain lots of views, and if you focus on products like laptops and phones, then you have an opportunity to make more money. I will show you how to do that later on in the video. To make a top 10 video, all you need is a microphone to record voiceovers and a laptop or PC to edit the video. If you choose to do a top 10 list on mobile phones, then you go to Amazon and pick the top 10 phones they have. Then you write up a script and you can use the description of the item as part of your script. After that you get some footage of that phone to put it in your video. Repeat these steps to the rest of the phones in your list. Then record your voiceover using a phone or a mic. Then get a suitable music track to put in your video. The last step is to combine all the footage together in an editor and you are ready to upload the video. If you want to make more money, then you can use Amazon affiliate marketing. Just sign up on their website and you are ready to go. For every phone that you have on your list, you can get a link, and if people buy that phone using your link, you will get a commission. Do that for every video you do and remind your viewers to purchase these products using the link you provide in the description. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out my last video on how to get more views on YouTube. If you have reached this part of the video, then give us a like and subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.